Welcome to Best Choice. The best US plug is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in our daily lives, powering everything from our morning coffee makers to our late-night phone chargers. In a world increasingly reliant on electricity, ensuring you have the right, safe, and efficient plug is paramount, especially when dealing with international travel or setting up new electronics. This video dives deep into what makes a US plug stand out, helping you navigate the options and make an informed decision for your power needs. Number 5. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter with 3 USB ports. Traveling to Europe. This adapter is designed to be your perfect companion for seamless charging across the continent. It's built to work in most European countries, making your trip hassle-free. Never worry about running out of power again. This adapter allows you to charge up to 3 devices at once, including 2 USB ports and 1 USB-C port. Keep all your essential gadgets powered up without any fuss. Experience efficient charging with its USB-A ports delivering up to 2.4A and the USB-C port up to 3A. It intelligently detects your devices, offering flexible charging solutions for everything from phones to laptops. Designed for travelers, this adapter is incredibly lightweight and compact. It easily fits into your pocket or bag, saving valuable space in your luggage and ensuring you have power wherever you go. It's also cruise ship friendly. Please note, this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. It is designed for dual voltage devices ranging from 100V to 250V. Always check your device's compatibility before your journey to ensure it works correctly. This adapter is compatible with Type-C outlets in many popular European destinations like France, Germany, Italy, and Spain. Please confirm your specific travel country's socket type to ensure it meets your needs. What we like. This adapter is perfect for charging multiple devices simultaneously, including newer gadgets with its USB-C port. If you need to keep your phone, tablet, and camera powered up without taking up too much space, this is a great choice. It's ideal for travelers who carry a variety of electronics and want convenient, multi-device charging. What people say. This is a great product that works well. The design is sleek and modern. It has many useful features. Number 4. Ceptics UK Travel Plug Adapter 3-Pack. Never worry about charging your devices again when traveling. This adapter is designed to be lightweight and compact, fitting easily into your handbag or luggage for convenience on the go. This adapter allows you to charge up to 2 gadgets at once from a single outlet. It conveniently supports standard 2- and 3-pronged flat-pin plugs from North America. Take it with you anywhere. It's compatible with outlets in the United Kingdom, Ireland, Dubai, Hong Kong, and many other countries worldwide. Built with quality materials and fully grounded for safe operation, this adapter ensures reliable power for your electronics. It has a max load rating of 10A250V. Please remember this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. It is designed for dual voltage electronics like your phone, laptop, and tablet, and will not change the voltage. Designed in the USA, this adapter comes with a limited lifetime warranty. If you have any issues, we'll replace it with a new one through our Ceptics Advantage program. What we like. This adapter is designed for travelers who need to charge 2 devices at once in UK-compatible regions. If you're heading to the UK, Ireland, or Hong Kong and want a simple, reliable way to power your phone and laptop, this is a solid option. Its compact size makes it easy to pack, ensuring you stay connected on the go. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that complements any decor. It features multiple USB ports, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously. The built-in surge protection ensures your electronics are safe from power fluctuations. Number 3. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter Converter. Traveling to Europe. This adapter is your perfect companion for navigating power outlets across the continent. It's designed to make your journey seamless and keep your devices powered up. Never worry about finding the right plug again. This adapter works in most European countries, ensuring you stay connected wherever your travels take you. Just plug it in and go. Keep all your gadgets charged at once. With multiple outlets and USB ports, you can power up your phone, tablet, and more, all from a single adapter. It's ideal for busy travelers. Experience efficient charging with our smart USB ports. They automatically detect your devices and deliver the optimal charging speed, ensuring your electronics are ready when you are. Pack light without sacrificing convenience. This adapter is incredibly compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your pocket or bag. It's designed for hassle-free travel, even on cruise ships. Please note that this adapter works with dual-voltage devices. For high-power appliances like hair dryers, ensure they support a wide voltage range or use a separate voltage converter. What we like. This adapter offers the most charging capacity, allowing you to power up to 4 devices simultaneously. If you're traveling with family or a group and need to charge multiple phones, tablets, and other gadgets, this is an excellent solution. It's designed for convenience and efficiency, making it ideal for shared use in hotels or dorm rooms. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a useful function and feature. The product is factual and meets expectations. Number 2. OREI American to European Plug Adapter, 2-pack. Heading to Europe. This adapter is your perfect travel companion. It allows you to easily connect your American devices in countries like Germany and France. Its compact design makes it ideal for packing. Use it with your essential chargers for your phone, laptop, and camera. This adapter simply converts your American plug to the round pins needed for European outlets. It's designed for dual-voltage chargers. Please remember, this is a plug adapter, not a voltage converter. Ensure your devices are compatible with 220-240V or use a separate voltage converter. Rest assured, it's CE certified and comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime support from OREI. This adapter is compatible with outlets in Germany, France, Spain, and many other European nations. Just plug it in and go. What we like. This adapter is specifically designed for use in countries like Germany and France, converting your US plug to the Type EF standard. If you're traveling to these specific European destinations and need to charge your mobile, laptop, or camera, this compact adapter is a straightforward solution. It's a reliable choice for essential device charging in compatible regions. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. It has a unique feature that sets it apart from competitors. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 1. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Never worry about charging your devices on the go again. This compact adapter is designed for travelers, ensuring you stay connected wherever your adventures take you. With universal compatibility for outlets in Europe, the UK, China, Australia, and Japan, it's perfect for charging your laptop, phone, and camera. It supports fast charging for compatible devices. Keep your valuable electronics safe from unexpected power surges and spikes. The built-in surge protection provides peace of mind while you travel. Easily see the voltage status with the clear LED indicator. It shows whether you're using 110V or 220V, ensuring you're using the correct power setting. Designed by a traveler, for travelers, this adapter is incredibly compact and lightweight. It won't add bulk to your luggage, and it even comes with a travel pouch. It features 2 USA sockets, a USB-A port, and both USB-C and PD35W USB-C ports. This allows you to charge multiple devices simultaneously with ease. What we like. This is the ultimate travel companion, offering compatibility with outlets in most countries worldwide and built-in surge protection. If you're a frequent international traveler who needs to power a laptop, phone, and camera safely and quickly, this adapter is your best bet. Its advanced features, including fast charging, make it ideal for anyone who relies heavily on their electronics while abroad. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a useful function and feature. The product is factual and reliable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.